Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's start today most important short trick of mathematics formula. How to solve a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Solution. First write a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b plus a plus b. Then both are multiply. A into A into B, B into A, B into B. Then A into A is equal to A square plus A into B, AB. B into A, AB. Then B into B, B square. Then AB plus AB add A to AB plus B square. Proved.